What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the case by Suritch for the Galaxy Buds 3. Let's check it out. So I'm just getting back into the Samsung ecosystem, and I tried using my AirPods for the longest time with the Galaxy Fold 4 that I have, and things just didn't sync up correctly. They worked, but they were kind of a problem. I'll probably maybe end up selling those. But I ended up getting these for super cheap. Thanks, James. I appreciate you, bro. But I don't want to rock these things without some protection. So I ended up picking up this case by Suritch. So I have to say, this thing only cost 20 bucks, right? And I think it actually had a 10% coupon. So it was like 18 bucks or something like that. But for the packaging, this is pretty wild. It's got an email address on there. It's got a phone number in the US, Canada, the UK. Has some information about the manufacturer, their address, designed by Suritch. I'm not sure if I'm 100% saying that correctly. And, you know, the name is like embossed. It's got some texture to it. The labeling is on point. There's still some missteps in like spelling and whatnot. Skicky smooth. Other than that, I'm really impressed with it. Someone really put their time and effort into this thing. Aside from the spelling and grammatical things that might pop out, the packaging is really solid. They even have a little spot where you're supposed to open it, and you can tell they just messed up the sticker. This sticker's flat. You can tell that's supposed to be on the other side, and this one has like a little dog ear there, so you can open it up easily. So we're going to go from this side here. See if it's can be opened from both sides here. Even on the inside, welcome to your Suritch earphone case. Okay, now. So even the inside has some color to it. They really put some effort into this thing. Little marketing material, QR code for the marketing, for the installation video. Perfectly good explanation on how to install it, assembly steps. So it looks like you just pop it in. There's a little sticker for the top, and you put it on. Pretty awesome. Supports wireless charging, all that good stuff. Some stickers. Wow, look at you go. And some regulatory information. What do we have here? What? I didn't even know it came with this. It didn't say it in the instructions, I don't think. In the marketing material. So it comes with a brush to clean your headphones out. I guess this goes down the hole of the case to clean it out. You can scrub it. And a brush as well. Super impressive. All right, Suritch, we see you. What else we got here? This feels heavy. Oh, a little case, like a stand to hold them up. Wow. And a clip. Okay, that actually feels pretty solid. It's metal. Okay, all right. Now, one of the reasons I got this case is because my AirPods case has magnets, right? So this thing closes with a little bit of authority. And it also keeps the top from falling off, so I really like that. And this one, at least in the marketing material, says it has magnets in it. Pretty decent packaging here. They didn't really have to cover it, but it shows them going the extra mile, which I really like. Front is see-through. Yeah, this is solid. Magnets appear to be pretty good. There's not really much more to it, so let's get it in there. Fits very snugly. Has a nice loop for you to put the clip through. I'm probably not going to use this, but if you want to affix this to your book bag or something like that, that'll do the trick. Let's follow the instructions here. Pull this sticky out. Put her on. Perfect. What more can you ask for? It's got a nice cutout in the back so that when you open it, it doesn't obstruct itself. The magnets kind of aid in holding it together. Opens easily enough still, though. Protects your investment here, and if you should drop it, this is like a hard TPU. And I'm also really impressed that they gave you this. Kind of to get down in here and clean. Feels a little wrong doing that on camera, but yeah, I'm impressed. For 19 bucks or 18 bucks with the coupon, what more can you ask for? Even a little stand. I'm not 100% sure what the stands for because it doesn't hold it up. I thought I saw something in here. The marketing. Oh, that is awesome. It's not a stand to hold it up. It's for getting the the buds out of the case if you want to take it out. You put this down with the top off and you give a push. And there you go. That is awesome. I would have never thought to include that. Way to go. I bet you that will save some people some frustration if you don't lose this. That is awesome. I really think that the amount of stuff they include in this package alone makes it worth the price tag. $18 to protect your buds is well worth it in my personal opinion. Suritch, we see you, man. Good job with this product. It seems like it's going to protect the case and the headphones pretty well and add a little bit more durability to the package. So if you're looking for a good case to protect your Galaxy Buds, I keep calling them AirPods and AirBuds or some mutilation of the Samsung and Apple marketing. But yeah, Suritch is where it's at. Can't beat the price, and the product seems to work pretty well. Thank you so much for checking out this product with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. As always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.